Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add gradient background in Illustrator. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a gradient background in Adobe Illustrator can significantly enhance your design's visual appeal. Here's how you can create and apply a gradient background to your project in Adobe Illustrator. Open Illustrator on your PC, go to File, then New, or just press Ctrl N. Set your desired dimensions, orientation, and color mode, RGB for digital, CMYK for print. Click Create to open your new document. Now, go to Window, Gradient, or press Ctrl F9 to open the Gradient panel. The Gradient panel allows you to adjust the gradient type colors, angle, opacity, and other settings. Now hit the X button. Now, let's draw the background shape. Choose the rectangle tool by clicking on the M key on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. Make sure it extends beyond the edges of your artboard to cover any bleed areas if you plan to print your design. Remove the stroke. Just follow the prompts on how to do this. Let us apply a gradient to a background. Click on the rectangle you just drew to choose it. With the rectangle selected, go to the Gradient panel and click on the Gradient bar. Then to apply the default black to white gradient, click on the rectangle shape. In the Gradient panel, choose from the three main types of gradients. Linear gradient creates a gradient that transitions along a straight line. Radial gradient creates a gradient that transitions outward and a circular pattern from a center point. Freeform gradient allows for custom gradient transitions with multiple color points. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.